Hello, hello. I was getting a call, so I paused the stream. लेकिन ये है कि overall, let's see what's going on with Bitcoin. I was in a very good trade, bro. I was getting about $100 when I started the stream, so now it's back to break even. Okay, so the basic narrative is the same as earlier. I want the price. I want the price to stay below this point for me to be interested in shorts. Overall, it's a downtrend. Okay, so okay, 109 and 53. 109 and 53, तो ये हमारे पास दो आ जाएंगे. पहले हम लोग करेंगे 109. 109. Let's go for 10 and 53. Let's go for 53. Okay, now I'll peg it to from this candle's high upper portion to this candle's lower portion. Let's see. So this is a whole narrative. Okay, so basically what I'm looking for is the price to stay below, as I shorted it here from this point. Gave me two opportunities to short it from this point. तो ये मैंने दो दफ़ा ऐसे यहाँ से शॉर्ट लिया. अभी स्ट्रीम स्टार्ट की, मैं अप था. आई वाज अप अबाउट 100 और 104 पॉइंट्स या $104, बट it knocked me out break even. तो मैं अभी यार I'm waiting कि if it gives me some sort of confirmation that it needs to move down नीचे, तो then I'll take another shot from this point. Let's see. $111, 58, 111, 58, 060. के तो इसको ऐसा करते हैं कि ये दिस इज़ द क्राइटेरिया आई एम लुकिंग फॉर. बेसिकली if the price stays above this point, I am not interested in shorts. Okay, overall it's a downtrend, but for me to be interested in executing, I need the price to move below this. That would be 112 and 60. 112 first, 60, then 100, and let's go for 12. Okay, that is equivalent to, yes, okay. So earlier this morning, it was a very good trade. I took two trades. The first one was 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. It's on my channel. You can go and watch. Like I just streamed 2 hours ago, and the other one was 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio or 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio. That which I was in when I started the stream. This was the trade जिसके ऊपर I was initially risking about $30, and I was aiming for a swing trade. So I risked about $30. पहले $30 risk किए, मुझे 100 दे रहा था. It was giving me 100. Then I got knocked out at break even. I am still waiting for shorts. Basically, I'm interested in shorts more than longs. Okay. Wait. Okay, my invalidation criteria is very tight. So $25. I'm just risking $25. That's the invalidation criteria, and I am assuming, that's my assumption. Basic assumption is that this is the extreme point that I was looking for to go short. So pehle I was getting short. It was giving me a good amount of points from this point, right? It's giving me $100. Then my stop loss was at break even. I got knocked out from this point within 2 minutes, just 2 minutes. And here we are again. Me trying to go short again from the same point. If it moves further below from this point, I'm gonna put my stop loss at break even. Then I'm gonna let it run. Basically. तो ये जो बेसिक अभी ट्रेड्स ले रहा हूँ, these are swing trading narratives. ये good. 1 to 1 मुझे अभी आ रहा है. अभी मुझे 1 to 1 risk to reward ratio आ रहा है. Okay, my take profit would be way below, like way fucking below 747. Mario, are you in it? You in it, bro? Okay. तो पहली वाली मेरी ब्रेक इवन के ऊपर आउट हो गई, और ये दूसरी मैं ट्रेड ले रहा हूँ बट ऑन ईथ. ओके, श्योर. I have never in my whole life owned or traded ETH. For some reason, I don't respect it that much. Okay, so it's coming back, right? If we move above this point, I am going to. I have an I have an exiting trade on BTC. You have exited trade on BTC, or you have an exciting trade on BTC. What do you mean, bro? So okay. Already have a different trade on BTC. Okay. Nice. Logically, I will close this trade if it gets invalidated and move above this point. If it moves below this colored box again, I'll execute again. So that's the whole point. Okay, we're bouncing off of a pivot point, so that's normal in a normal trending conditions. So let's see, I should put my stop above this point, $14. Meh, let's see. I can get knocked out, it's okay. I was getting more than 15 or 13, I was getting about 40 basically dollars, but it is what it is. फर्स्ट आई गॉट नॉकड आउट, ब्रेक इवन पे नॉकआउट हो गया. दूसरा वाला केस के अंदर मैं अभी आई एम वेटिंग फॉर इट टू मूव बैक डाउन. इफ वी मूव अबव दिस पॉइंट आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड एट ऑल, लाइक आई एम नॉट एट ऑल. सो लेट्स सी. Basically what was my risk, $15, and I'm now getting 57, right? So 57 divided by 15, that's about 3.8 risk to reward ratio. Now I'm getting 70, so that's about basically 70 divided by 15, that's 4.6 risk to reward ratio. What, like within 19-20 minutes? Damn bro, I was risking about $15 risk कर रहा था. Now I'm getting 78, so 4.6 risk to reward ratio, it's not bad. So I'm like looking for a lower pivot. From that would be 274 divided, if obviously if it works out. I'm not gonna exit this trade even if it knocks me out again. So that would be 2 break even trades, right? I shorted it from this point. यहाँ से पहले short किया and I let it run. It was giving me about $100. My stop loss was right around here when I started the stream. It knocked me out, right? And I am operating on the same narrative again. So what can I do? I can only put my stop loss at break even, as I'm way ahead of my risk. So that's the ideal case. Or let's just be more let's just risk $15. Still it can come back. ऊपर आ सकता है वापस, कोई उसमें मसला नहीं है, लेकिन ये है कि I am targeting the lower portion. Let's see, Bree. Let's see. See you whoever is reacting. Okay, so यार ये है कि the thing I am allowed to do is maximum. I cannot close this trade because I already have 4 hours basically na returns, risk relative to the returns on the day. I'm up 4 hours, so this is what's supposed to be a swing trade, so I'm not gonna close it. I can smell something bad is coming for Bitcoin somehow. So I'm gonna leave this trade open. Okay, I was risking about 15. Now I'm getting 77. So basically 80 divided by 15. 5.3 risk to reward ratio. 5.3 risk to reward. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. BTC, I want something strong, bro. I expect more from you, BTC. Don't disappoint me. Okay. My God. Okay. 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 I was risking about 15. Now I'm getting 95. Somehow it gets like sometimes it gets really, really good, bro. 95 divided by 15, that would be 6.3. So these are the trades in which, if really known, one can put a huge lot. Huge, huge. Can it still knock me out, break even? Yes, of course. Of course, bro. What is your target? Mario, in the long term, I'm thinking about like I'm really ambitious. I'm thinking about 53 in the long term, right? So I'm just taking out chunks, scalping this from 57 to 53. So you hopefully you understand what I'm trying to do here. Okay. And if somehow we move above 58.5, 58,541, so I am not that interested in shorts then. Whoa! Ho 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 ho! Ben shot! एक मिनट एक मिनट एक मिनट. Oh Ben shot! Oh shit, bro! एक मिनट. Oh Ben shot, bro! Fuck! Bro, what the fuck? Okay, I was risking about 15, so I'm now getting 169. Uh, 160, basically 150 divided by 15. So 10, 1 to 10 risk to reward ratio. Not bad, huh? So still, it can still knock me out. I know, I know. I fucked up here. Like, that was fucking amazing, bro. हाँ मोइज गुजर यार, असल में ये नहीं है, मैं आई एम ऑलरेडी अप 4 hours ऑन द डे ना, सो दिस इज नॉट व्हाट आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग द बीटीसी टू मूव टू fucking 53 bro, and I want myself to be in it when it gets there, so I'm taking swing trades. I don't care about just, it is just amazing to see. I was risking about 15, now I'm getting really 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 good, extremely good risk to reward ratio, which like Hana, I moved SL in stop loss into small profit. Okay, okay, okay. It can still knock me out, and that would still not phase me. Really, really, really not phase me at all. So because this is what I see every fucking day, right? So, but I was not expecting it to expand its ATR that much. Okay, Muiz वापस आके जाता. हाँ हाँ मुझे डार्क स्क्वायर तो लगता है, लेकिन ये देखो ना कि आई वाज रिस्किंग अबाउट 15, नाउ आई एम गेटिंग 120, राइट? सो 120 divided by 50 is 8 risk to reward ratio, bro. It's not bad. I still not gonna close this. You see how stubborn, you can say stubborn, I would see myself as resilient. But this is what I'm supposed to do, right? I'm way more uncomfortable than you think, but I'm still operating on my strategy and system. Imagine if it knocks me out, and it can knock me out. Will it phase me to go short again? No, because I can see it's coming to 53, and I'll be in the trade somehow, and I know. So, what is worse that if I close it here, for example, if I close it here and it spiked to 53, then what? So that's why I moved my stop loss below. Muiz, if you watch the stream I did earlier, maybe 2 hours ago, it's public, right? It's the stream is public. You can go and watch it. The first trade was 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. The other trade was 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. So I'm already up 4 hours, right? So this is the trade. I know I can think about closing it. Not now, obviously. I could have closed it, but no. This is supposed to be a swing trade. Okay. Okay. The thing I should do basically, I should not at least lose money on the trade which I was so profitable on. So I'm gonna mark it to break even. That's all. Okay. Okay. That's all I can do, bro. I am not that comfortable. I may sound that comfortable. I'm not really. I can feel what you guys are feeling basically. Yeah, obviously I was way in the profit, now I'm getting stopped out, but no. These are the trades which are supposed to be a swing trade, because we are at 58, 57, and I expect it to move somehow, like 54, 52. So I want myself to be in the trade, right? When it gets there. That's the whole narrative. Okay, if it knocks me out, I'm just gonna go and eat something, and I'm gonna close the stream. Maybe come after some time today. Yes. So that's going to be my third stream on the day. Okay, still you can think, yeah, I was risking about 15. Now I'm getting 70. Anything above 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio is really good for me. And good not for me, for anyone, right? So divided by 15, so it's 4.6. Okay, on a 15 minutes time frame, that's nothing really. That spike was really not that much. Mario ETH. Okay, I have never even ever traded ETH in my whole life, but I'm gonna exactly with tick precision tell you what's gonna happen. Just wait. You wanna see some magic? ETH just rejected from 15 minutes. Okay, let's see. ETH. Yeah, basically it follows, but yes. Okay, so that's really ugly. I don't like it for some fucking reason, bro. I'm so biased. Okay, 24,066, 24,004. Basically, what you can think of. Okay, you see on ETH. You don't wanna buy it below this point. Basically, you don't wanna buy it below this point. So basically, that's the same narrative as, but ETH follows this more, like more with more precision. Let's see. Let's see. Basically, that was a sign of volatility expansion. Like these two wicks, the volatility expanded. When did it expand? 15. Guys, I have a call. Just wait. So, okay, I'm back. Okay, more often than not, if there are two spikes, like from this point to that point, it takes both of them out. But I'm not gonna close this trade based on this assumption कि यार ये मुझे out कर देगा. Still, if it comes and like takes me out at break even, I'll still try another shot to take it down. Get it? So this is a basically a swing trade. Even if it knocks me out, I'll try to short again after some time. But just having an assumption that like it knocks both of the sides out is not basically enough for me to act and close this trade. So I'm not gonna act on it. Was way close to my target, but you know. I know, it can knock me out. 69. Still, I'm getting 1 to 5 days to reward ratio. That's not bad. That's really not bad. But will I close it? No. 58, 58, 83, 58, 053, 053. Okay. If it knocks me out now, I'm gonna go and eat something. Uh, you're just gonna take a break. Still, will the narrative be same? Yes. Will everything be same? Yes. So, okay, on even on Ethereum, I don't know where we are on ETH, but if we move above this point, basically we are moving above ETH also, right? So I'm not interested in shorts. I want the price to stay below this point overall. So for me to be executing on the shorts trade. See, I'm not looking for this sort of basically like I want basically very small trade to run down, like take a swing trade way down, leave it for some time. So that's what I'm basically looking for now. I was scalping earlier today, then I'm not scalping now. So $100 is $100. Yeah, approximately 350 360 basically. Okay, it can knock me out. Okay, but you saw okay, risk to reward was very extremely good, 1 to 10 risk to reward ratio. So I could have easily closed the trade. Yeah. I know all that, but the system is a system is a system is a system. So if I were using my scalping system, I would have like easily take out the profit, but I was not. So I'm using the swing system to take these kind of trades. So in this case, I am only allowed to like just put my stop loss at below break even when I'm up a certain hours. उसके बाद मैं I have to leave it just open as I did on Nasdaq basically on Friday, right? So नहीं Thursday or Friday maybe. Because if it works out what I'm trying to do, this whole volatility will look like basically nothing on a higher time frame. So I'm trying to catch a higher time frame move. So this sort of volatility will not even be visible on a hourly time frame, right? So I know it looks big relative to what the volatility we have today. 55 55. That's the last line of defense I have. That is 55. still I'm way ahead of my what I was risking. I was risking $15 on this trade, so I'm already getting 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. That's not 1 to, whoa, 15, 30. What a roller coaster ride from this point to like a sharp decline. I thought it's crashing like from this point, like it's the crash has begun and I was moving my stop loss below below. You know, doesn't always work. Let's see if we get not get stopped out. Last line of defense is 55. Guys, wait. Okay. 55 is the last line of defense. Ramazan. And I'm out. Okay, guys, thank you so much. You have the narrative. Like I can still short it right from this point. Still, it's a short. I'm not interested in longs. If we stay below this box, that would be equivalent to this point. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. 58,113 and 58,061. That's if we move above this point, basically the upper portion of this point, then I can basically, I'm not interested in longs as long as we stay below 58,539, right? So if we move above that, can be considered as a no man's land until we move back down from this point again. Okay, so that's the narrative. I'll be back after some time. Thank you, guys.